This Coldwell Banker Schmitt Real Estate Company property video is presented by Yvette Doherty. A rare opportunity for a 44-feet slip with direct access to the main canal onto Barnes Sound. Manatee Bay Club is a private gated community. Amenities include pool, beach, ice machines, and laundry facilities. Parking on your upland in front of your slip, for easy loading. Great for snowbirds or weekenders. Easy to show, located on the MM112 stretch in Key Largo. 45 minutes from Miami Airport. Don't miss this opportunity on this one. See Document tab for site plan. Location E-8 for more information. Review the details below.